What is one of the most memorable moments of your life?
Oh,
The
that
day I was born.
definitely. Well, definitely that was for sure.
Mm,
But probably the one of the most memorable is when I held you for the first time, for
mm.
sure, because you were
Wow.
a premature baby, and I just like when they said when I knew I had to have you, and they were like, okay, there's a 95% chance that she'll survive and she'll be okay. And to me, it wasn't enough. I was scared.
Wow, there's a 5% chance I wouldn't be sitting here right now. That's pretty crazy.
So
Mhm.
I was, but just like when I held you, and I actually, it was a really nice moment with my mom too, because my mom was there, and she's the one that wiped the tears from my face so that it wouldn't drop on you. It
Wow.
was a really good moment, that to hold this 3-pound baby in my arms and just be like, wow, what a miracle. That was good.
Wow.